Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Wix form email notifications using the Customer and Leads dashboard so you can manage your team alerts and automation triggers in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Customer and Leads menu. The first step is moving away from the visual editor and into your site's administrative backend. In 2026, Wix has centralized all communication tools under a dedicated CRM hub. Go to your Wix homepage dashboard. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you see the section labeled Customer and Leads. Click on Customer and Leads to expand the menu, and then select Forms and Submissions. Next, locate your form and open Notifications. Now that you see your list of forms, you need to target the specific one that needs a routing update. Find the form you want to edit, like your Contact Us or Service Inquiry form. Hover over it and click the three dots icon on the far right side. From the drop-down menu, select Form Notifications. This is the shortcut phase. In 2026, clicking the three dots takes you directly into the automation logic of that specific form. By selecting Form Notifications here, you are bypassing the visual design settings and going straight to the internal logic that controls where the data travels after a user clicks Submit. Next, edit the notifications and automations. Wix handles email alerts as automations. You need to enter the editing mode of this specific trigger to change the recipient details. Under the Notifications and Automations header, find the Active rule and click the Edit button. This will open a detailed workspace showing the trigger, like Form is submitted, and the action, like Send an email. In 2026, Wix uses a trigger and action workflow. By clicking Edit, you are opening the sequence. This is where you decide exactly what happens behind the scenes. If you want the email to go to your sales team and also trigger a thank you message to the customer, this is the exact screen where those instructions are stored. Scroll down to the action block for Send Emails. Click into the settings to adjust the sender details, email type, and the recipients field. By adjusting the sender details, you can ensure the email doesn't look like spam. Adding specific recipients allows you to loop in multiple team members. In 2026, you can also choose the email type, allowing you to send either a full data summary or just a simple alert, depending on how much information your team needs to see immediately. And that's pretty much it. To change your form notifications in 2026, go to Customer and Leads, Forms and Submissions in your dashboard. Click the three dots next to your form, select Form Notifications, and then click Edit on the active automation. Adjust your recipients and sender details within the action block, and then save to activate your new notification routing instantly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.